Congratulations on your purchase of FlexStyle Motorized Window Shades. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to ensure a successful installation. Let's dive in. Before mounting the shades, verify the measurements on the label provided with each shade, and check for any job site conditions that could interfere with the installation or the operation of the system. Now let's install the mounting brackets. Mark the wall or ceiling for the placement of the mounting brackets. If necessary, drill small starter holes in the mounting surface. Then attach the brackets using appropriate fasteners for the mounting surface. Slide the bracket cap over each bracket. Next, proceed to mounting the shades. Lift the idler end of the fabric roller assembly into place, depress the spring-loaded end of the shade, and insert it into the hole in the idler bracket. Hook the motor plate into the hole on the motor bracket. Finally, slide the bracket covers over the brackets, making sure the bracket covers snap into place securely. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your motorized FlexStyle shades. If further support is needed, please contact your dealer or Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.